Welcome. Let's look at these JAMB past questions, biology 2018. Question number 19. An organism which exhibits extracellular digestion is A. Spirogyra, B. Paramecium, C. Amoeba, D. Rhizopus. So which of the following exhibits extracellular digestion? Now, for us to understand this and put it in context, we need to first of all know what extracellular digestion is. So what is extracellular digestion, so that we can know which of the organism have it as a characteristics. So extracellular digestion is a process in which saprophytes saprobionts feed by secreting enzymes. So this process is done by secreting enzymes through the cell membrane. So whenever you have that kind of digestion that is done by secreting enzyme through cell membrane onto the food, we call it extracellular digestion. So that is how it happens. The enzymes catalyze the digestion of the food into molecules small enough to be taken up by passive diffusion, transport, or phagocytosis. You understand? So which are some of the example of animals or organisms that do this? The number one and the example in this option is what we would call Rhizopus. So Rhizopus undergo this type of digestion known as extracellular digestion, which actually involves secreting enzymes through the cell membranes onto the food in order for you to eat it. So when you do that, when you secrete these enzymes onto the food through the cell membrane, what does the enzyme do? It will do what? It will catalyze the digestion. That's what it will do. It will catalyze the digestion of the food, you understand, into molecules, into very small molecules small enough to be diffused, small enough to undergo diffusion or passive diffusion or transport into the organism. So small enough to diffuse, that's what you are supposed to put there. So that is what we call extracellular digestion, secreting of enzymes through the cell membranes onto the food in order for the enzyme to catalyze digestion of the food into smaller molecules small enough to be taken up through passive digestion. An example of an animal that or organism that does this is Rhizopus, and that's why D is the correct answer. Thank you.